my darlings, it's Natalie here from Sette Design. Did you ever wonder if you should paint your brick fireplace? Today I'm going to show you a transformation of a space I painted. We used the inspiration of the artist Georgia O'Keeffe. She had an amazing home in the desert, all in very neutral, minimalistic colors and space, use of space. And so we took one of her paintings and also just looking at the walls of that house, and we used that as our color palette. She has a beautiful house in the desert, and also she was a painter. She was also married to Alfred Stieglitz, who was a famous photographer. And she lived in design, she dressed in design, and then she painted these amazing images. So she is an inspiration all around. Here we go. Remember to like and subscribe. Here's the before image. It was a dark red brick with gray grout. Narrow, if you notice. And there's a little sample on the wall. Here is Alfred Stieglitz, her Georgia O'Keeffe's husband, and some of his photo images, which you probably recognize. He photographed beauty and struggle. And there's Georgia as a younger woman and as she aged. So beautiful. And here she is at 98 years old. Her house in New Mexico was all very neutral. That's a Corbusier lounge, I'm pretty sure. There's a Knoll womb chair in the back. Inner courtyard. I love the ladder. And then here's some of her painted images, which are far more colorful. As an artist, I can understand wanting your house to be really neutral so that you feel free to paint with color. And here's the fireplace on its way to being transformed. The taupey color, and here it is, finished. So pretty and simple. The owner of the house had this cool old crab's claw and an antler there. It was very Georgia inspired. I hope you liked it. Pretty simple and clean line, right?